Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and authentic sweet dal. This is most famous as Prasad from Puri Jagannath Temple, and this is the most delicious dal I have ever tried. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन तळे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. To start with the recipe, take 1.5 cup of Toor dal thoroughly washed and add 2.5 cups of water. Boil and cook the dal. The dal has started to boil now. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. Cook the dal on medium flame for 15 minutes. No need to stir it. Add 2 teaspoons of grated ginger and 3 tablespoons of jaggery. Traditionally they cook this dal in earthen pots in the mandir, but if you don't have that, you can use any heavy bottom vessel as me, or you can also pressure cook the dal. Add 1/4 teaspoon of hing mixed with water. Our dal is perfectly cooked now. Turn off the heat and serve. I have served it in an earthen pot to give it that authentic traditional look. You can serve it as you like. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of hot desi ghee on top. Cover for 2 to 3 minutes. And our delicious and authentic sweet dal is ready. This is a unique recipe. If you have not had it, then you must give it a try. Mix the tadka with the dal and our delicious and authentic sweet dal is ready. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.